MK World. Today we are building 3D paper house. Okay, we bought this in a market. I don't know. My mother bought this for me and my sister Samruddhi. Okay, let's open this. Okay, before that, this is my frozen like house. It's a castle and this is a pink color girl house. Let's open it. Okay. There are 4 pieces. Yeah, 4.
No.
4. Fold.
How?
It is folding like a book.
Mine's not.
Okay.
Only this much.
No, it is like a book.
No.
Oh. Okay.
This is also?
Okay. This is how much we got, and also you can open it like this. Looks like mine is simple.
It is opening.
Yeah, like this. Let's get building. Mines will be looking like this after I build. So let's get building. Let's start.
Build.
First we should slowly take this out. We don't want it to tear it. Don't think I broke it because it's like this already. Okay, now let's get all out. This is how hers looks. Okay, you cut my daddy. Mine will look like this and hers
And mine will look like this.
Okay, and I will show you after I took all of these things.
Okay. This is the base.
This is her base, and this too is my base. This is how mine looks, and this is how hers looks.
This is the base. We will keep on this what we have opened.
Now,
like
what have we opened here? We are gonna put it on our bases.
Okay, we will put.
Hers is a garden base, and mine is a frozen base.
How can we put?
I am putting hers on. There is these numbers where you can put that things where you I don't know.
59.
There are some pieces, same number pieces. You should put it like this, and you got a little stair.
We want to open this one.
Yes. I made a chair. Look.
Thank you.
You do this to the same.
How we can? We don't know means, so they will give the numbers here and here. Where it is that number here, we want to put there.
Yeah. And she did not find that number even here. I will show it first. I'll put this on. My base, and there are also some numbers everywhere around my base. So let's put that. Okay, I did not find still. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I find. Yeah, I'll find.
First one.
Did I already tell? Okay.
61. 62.
Now you can see like this pieces. Here like you have to break it like this.
How can we put this one?
Can you? Okay, almost to my mouth. What did you
Set.
talking? Okay, I opened the door of mine. Hello. Okay, let's put this.
We want to open first this one.
We should open these.
After we
holes.
want to put 61, 62.
This is so hard. Did you open yours?
Yeah.
This is very hard. 41. They did not even give the number.
57.
41.
And 58.
30. This
It is
much.
very hard.
Yeah.
for keep.
Okay. Okay, I did this much. Only this much. Now there is a opening. Oh, I put it upside down.
It's a door for this. See? Here they have given. So, here also they have given.
Is there a door?
Yeah.
This is a garden door.
Yeah.
Okay, she forgot. Like you should take like this. There's a boxes.
Like this?
Okay, yeah. Where's my princesses?
We
These are my two princesses.
want to take out this also.
Yes, you should take that boxes.
How
There is
can we
two
do?
princesses in mines, which they can go inside and open the door. Is it? Oh yeah. Oh, the princess does not.
ತುಂಬಾ
ಅದ್ ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡು.
ಇದೊಂದೇ ಸಾಕು ಎರಡೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಲ್ಲು this is about 50 to 51.
Let's
52.
fastly do it. It will get dark.
52.
What? ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಕಿತ್ತಾಕ್ದೆ ಅದು?
How should we keep
ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ.
52 and 53? ಮಲ್ಲು ನೀನು ಹೇಳು.
It will take a while, so I will show the finishing at the end of the video. So we will cut the video. Do some and we will show you at the middle of the videos how we did. Cut ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
Oh, my brother has come. He is stopping all.
Okay, this is how much I built.
This is how much I built.
My father had helped you.
Okay.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ
ಇಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಾಲ್ಕು ಬನ್ನಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ. I finished only this much.
I finished this much.
How I want to build? I don't know.
Don't act over.
It is not 11.
ತೋರಿಸಿ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
This is how much I built.
This is how much I build. I don't know to build.
Yeah.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ
She's building correct, but she's too worried to build. She did not even open here and she's crying.
The full ಮುಚ್ಚಬೇಕಾ?
Oh my god. You should take out the whole house. I also can't understand this.
First I will open this.
Slowly. Break. Then we can.
This much only house.
You did not even open anything. I am also.
This one also we want to open this box.
Why are you dancing?
My brother is dancing.
Well, I have 3 pieces to build. Well, she has. She has how many pieces to build? Well, I have 3 pieces to build. She has 100 pieces to build. Let's put the final pieces. This goes over here. I think these pieces are the pieces. Yeah.
Wonderful baby. Wonderful baby.
Finally, I built it and it looks very beautiful. Yes. It's like this.
Mine is like this. I like bananas.
Yeah. No, yours is one piece is like monkey brother there.
He is sleeping here.
Yeah, there is one of his secret. Should I say?
One letter you can say.
Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್
ಯು ಬ್ಲಡಿ ಇಡಿಯಟ್. ಅಕ್ಕಲ ಮುಖ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ.
Okay, finally we finished the video and this is my house.
Your
This
head
is
out.
my house.
Can't go inside, only head.
We finished the video. Bye bye. Bye.